Hello everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever watched a YouTube video and thought, I really need the transcript for this? Maybe for studying, note-taking, or turning it into an article. And then you start searching for tools, extensions, or websites. Well, what if I told you that YouTube already gives you the transcript directly? No tools needed at all. Yes, right inside YouTube. Let me show you how. All right, let's get right into it. First things first, go ahead and open the YouTube video you want the transcript from. I'll open this one right here. Once the video loads, look just below the video player, where you see the description. Click on More to fully expand the description section. Good. Now scroll your eyes toward the bottom of that description. Right there, you'll notice a section called Transcript. And next to it, there's a button that says Show Transcript. Go ahead and click it. And there we go. The transcript panel instantly appears on the right side of the video. Nice and clean. Now here's where it gets interesting. By default, the transcript includes timestamps. So if you copy it right now, those timestamps will come along with the text. But for this tutorial, I want a clean transcript without any timestamps. So how do we do that? Simple. Look at the top of the transcript panel and click on the three dots. You'll see an option that says Toggle Timestamps. Click it once, and just like that, the timestamps disappear. Perfect. Now we're ready to copy. With your mouse, click at the very beginning of the transcript. Hold it down and slowly drag all the way to the end to select everything. Great. Now press Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy, or you can right-click and choose Copy. Next, open any text editor you like. This could be Notepad, Microsoft Word, or even Google Docs. Click inside the document and press Ctrl-V to paste, or right-click and choose Paste. And there you have it, a full, clean YouTube transcript. No timestamps, no tools, no extensions. Quick, easy, and very efficient. So the next time you need a transcript from a YouTube video, remember this simple built-in trick. Thanks so much for watching Zimist Coded. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tips and smart tricks. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep coding smarter.